Hi, hoping everyone doing well and enjoying yourself. So I'm going to continue articles in this video. So hope you can definitely understand. So in the previous video we discussed what is definite and what is indefinite articles and how many kinds of articles and how many articles in English. Now we are going to learn in this video about indefinite articles. Okay, indefinite articles. We have two indefinite articles in English, a and. Okay. So here I have written something information about indefinite articles. Let me explain you. First, the choice between a and n is determined by sound. So before a word beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. So basically, dear students, what we have to understand through that sentence, basically uses of indefinite articles j and it's completely depend upon the word sound, the word beginning of the letter sound. So basically, if a word begins with a vowel sound, definitely we use and before all such a words. But if a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before all that kind of words. Okay, I hope you can definitely understand. But here we may get a clarity. Sorry, we may get a confusion. That is, so I'm just talking about vowel sound and consonant sound. But if we consider English vowel and English consonant sounds, we may wrong. We should consider Telugu alphabet vowels and consonant sounds. For example, in English we have two kinds of letters. One is vowels and second one is consonants. I, O, U. These three letters we usually call vowels in English. Rest of 21 letters we call consonants. But in this situation, we should not think about English consonants and English vowel sounds. We should consider only Telugu vowel sound and Telugu consonant sound. For suppose in Telugu, A to Aha. In between these two letters, whatever we get, all letters are we call vowels in Telugu alphabet. And also Ka to Bandila. In between these two letters, how many letters are we getting? All letters are we call consonants. So we should consider Telugu alphabet, vowel sound and consonant sound. That is very important here we think about. Okay. Next, here if you see an orange, let me write here and orange. See, orange is a word. It started with the vowel sound. Orange. So how can I write that in Telugu? Orange. So I can translate that word sound in Telugu like that. How did I write in Telugu? In that way I translated. So in this word the word begins with A. So A came in. A comes in Telugu alphabet in between A to Aha. So that is definitely vowel sound. That's why I used an here. So whenever we get all these kind of cases, we should write only an article before the word which begins with the vowel sound. Okay. So I hope you can definitely understand it. Let me give you one more example. Ice cream. What is that? Ice cream. So definitely ice cream. I means first sound is I. So I also comes the letter in Telugu alphabet in between A to A. So that is definitely considerable as a vowel sound in Telugu. So that's why we use an article before ice cream. I hope you can definitely understand. Okay. So next, an enemy. So enemy means A comes. Enemy, A. So A also a vowel sound in Telugu alphabet. That's why we used an. Next, an ink pad. Ink pad means E comes. So definitely E also vowel sound. That's why we used an. Next, umbrella. Umbrella means A comes. What is the first sound of the word? A. So the word started with the sound A. That's why we used and before that word also. Next, an hour. Hour means A. So that's why we used an. Next, an honest man. Honest man means A. So that's why the honesty man, the word also started with vowel sound. That's why we used and before the word. So in these all cases we should use and before the words. So I hope you can definitely understand all this. And one more thing, for example, okay, now let us discuss about the second point what I have written on the board. I am going to read it. Please concentrate what I am reading on the board. Next, before a word beginning with a consonant sound. What is that? A consonant sound. So in that cases we use a. Before all the kind of words we use a. For example, a boy. Let me write here a boy. So boy, the word first letter is ba. What is that? Ba. So ba comes in Telugu alphabet in between ka to bandira. Ka to bandira. So that is definitely consonant sound. That is definitely consonant sound. That's why we used a article before that. We used a article before that. Next, a woman. So a woman means who. Who means wa. So it is also comes in Telugu alphabet in between ka to bandira. So that's why it is called consonant sound. That's why we are using before woman a. And also horse. So definitely horse, ha, also consonant sound. That's why we are using a article before that. Next, whole. So ho also definitely ha is a consonant sound. That's why we are using a. Book, ba. That's why we are using a. Next, union. Union means you. So but here we need to think about one more important point. U is basically vowel in English alphabet. But already I said you, we should not consider English vowel sound and English consonant sound. We should always consider Telugu vowel sound and Telugu consonant sound. But if we think U is a vowel, so definitely some people and some students may get confusion. Definitely U is a vowel. Definitely what sir taught us, definitely whenever we get a vowel sound we should use before all that kind of words and. So definitely some students may get wrong thought and they may write before union and. But what I am explaining, sound, definitely article uses a and. These two article uses depends upon the word sound. The word beginning of the word sound, but not complete word sound. Beginning of the word sound, that is very important. What we never forget. Okay. So a union. Of course, U is a vowel in English, but the sound is U. U means ya. So ya comes in Telugu alphabet in between ka to bandira. So that is definitely considerable as a consonant sound. That's why we are using a. So a university. Same explanation. U. The word started with U, but U is a English vowel. But we should not think about that. We should not consider about that. So already I explained you. I hope you can definitely understand. So U, ya sound. So it is a consonant sound. That's why we used a. Next, European. So here also the word started with E. E also one of the vowel in English alphabet. But are we considerable? Are we considering that? No. So we should not consider it. So kabatti, that's why a. We used that before European a because European means the sound is U. U means ya. Next, a useful article. So in this also we are getting ya. That's why we used a article before that. Next, a 1 rupee. Here also the word started with wo. Wo is one of the vowel in English alphabet. But the sound is wa. So definitely that is in Telugu alphabet consonant sound. That's why we used a before that word. Next, a one-eyed man. So of course already just I explained that. So a 1 rupee man. Va sound. That's why we used a before this word. Before this word. So it is all about a and u and. So how should we use? So where we should write a and where we should write and. So if a word starts with vowel sound, we should write and. If a word starts with consonant sound, we should write a. So if you get clarity in between these two sentences, you can definitely get all the idea about indefinite articles. There is no more doubt about this, my dear students. Okay, I hope you can definitely enjoy, and please note down all these in your notebook for your better preparation and understanding and for knowledge. And I hope you can definitely feeling good, and we'll meet again in our next video. Until then, everyone, keep smiling and have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video.